Welcome, thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this I Love pillow. This is a 2-in-1 reversible comfort memory foam. The first side is breathable, hypoallergenic material, protective comfort for all night support, soft, breathable fabric. Now for side 2 is a cooling side. Cooling technology, fabric allows airflow throughout the night, long-lasting cooling fabric that is machine washable. Now the memory foam is made in USA and the cover is made in China. This was bought from Costco on sale for $30. When purchased online is a little more, around $45 Canadian. This weighs 3 pounds for a queen size, and for the king size it weighs 5 pounds. The pillow didn't take too long to expand, maybe about 5 minutes if it helped puff it out. Here in the corner we have is the I Love Pillow logo. Now this first side is the cooling side. You can tell by the blue lining edge right over here. Now this exterior surface is very soft and smooth, silky smooth, feels very comfortable. You can feel the cooling when you rub your hand over it or even placing on it. These little pellets looking, there is actually not cooling gels. It's just a type of design. Now here on the other side, this is the breathable side. You can tell by the green edging right here. The exterior of this is cotton, soft and comfortable. There's a bunch of little dots, making it breathable. Let's open the package. You do smell the chemicals from the memory foam, but that's normal. It'll eventually go away in about 48 hours. The actual size of this pillow is about 24.5 inches length, and the width is roughly about 16 inches. Now you can look at the tags. Here they have the care instructions. The cover is removable, machine wash with cold water and mild detergent. Rinse, spin dry gentle cycle. Tumble dry low heat. Do not bleach, do not iron. And the foam core is spot clean only with damp cloth. Do not put foam in washer or dryer. Very easy instructions. I would consider this pillow a firm pillow. The depth of this pillow is about 5.5 inch. I'm going to place a 10-pound weight. The average head is about 11 pounds. Now the depth is now about 3.5 inch. Do a compression and recovery test. I'm going to put my weight into the pillow and let's see how fast it recovers. It recovered pretty fast. Let's take a look on the inside. This is what the foam looks like. Looks like one big piece of dough. I know a lot of people have different preferences, but for those who like firm pillows, I think this is a pretty good pillow. And for the memory foam, it's not like a brick. It actually has good compression and takes the weight of your head. I have a hot head. When trying out this pillow for the very first time, it feels very nice and cool. but you better hope you fall asleep within the first 10 to 15 minutes. The surface does retain heat pretty quick. During the nighttime, I did end up waking up and having to flip my pillow over. Now sleeping on the other side, you don't get the cooling surface effect, but it's breathable. It takes longer to retain heat and it does not get as hot as the cooling surface. I think I prefer to sleep on this side rather than the cooling side. Overall, this pillow is decent for the price, but I am still on the hunt for a good cooling pillow. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't and give this video a thumbs up. See you guys on the next one.